when we do a maintenance on your home, we take a look at your system to make sure that we catch anything that is a potential problem that could cause your system to break down during the next season. So addressing these small issues early can save you the headache of having an emergency repair of that system breaking down, and also can save you money because fixing the small items when they need to be fixed or before they break can stop a lot of the larger, more expensive items from breaking down in the future. So you want to make sure that you do the preventative care necessary to prevent larger breakdowns and unexpected breakdowns. So the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Cooling, also known as ASHRAE in our industry, reports that regular maintenance can actually reduce the likelihood of a breakdown up to 75%. So by making sure that you're getting these things done properly, ASHRAE has calculated that you're saving about a 75% chance of avoiding that breakdown. So it is a strong correlation between maintenances and breakdowns. So make sure you're getting that properly done.